Today I am gonna make this simple pearl bracelet. You can try it with the elastic rope, but I am making it with magnetic buckles. Pearl 4 mm. Fishing wire 0.13 mm. Continue to the required length. I completed it to the required length, now make it wider. Add in the sequence of 2 beads plus 1 side bead. Repeat the process until reach the tail. String it back to the other side, and add a buckle. Finally, look for the knot. Tie a knot like this, and string few more beads and tie it again. Hope you will like it. Take care.
Bye!